Let's learn to crochet front post single crochet stitch. Welcome to my YouTube channel Sanjs Aasha. As usual, we will be starting with the slip knot. Here I make my slip knot. Crochet hook I am using is of 4 mm. Here I make my slip knot, and after slip knot make any number of chain crochet stitches depending upon your project, whatever you need. Make any number of chain crochet stitches. Here I am making only a tutorial purpose video, so I am just making 11 chain crochet stitches. I'll just complete this and I'll show you. Once we are done with the chain crochet stitches, leave first stitch after current loop on the needle, and from second stitch we will start making one single crochet stitch in each single stitch till end. Okay, just leave first stitch after the current loop on the needle, and from second stitch we will start making one single crochet stitch till the end of the line. I'll just complete this line and I'll show you. We are done making stitches till the last stitch. Now we will just make a chain crochet stitch and we will turn a crochet work. And now we turn a crochet work. Now see, now here onwards in every new line, every new row, we are going to skip 2 stitches, first and second stitch that comes after the current loop on the needle. Okay, and from third stitch, now for second row also we will make one single crochet stitch in each single stitch. That's it till the last stitch. So I'll just complete this line and I'll show you, and I'll show you how to take that last stitch. That is very important. Okay, I'll just complete this and I'll show you. Done with last stitch, make a chain crochet and turn your crochet work. Now as I told you, now onwards every new line we will be skipping those 2 stitches, first and second stitch, which comes after the current loop on the needle. Now we will make front post single crochet stitch. How is front post single crochet stitch? See, we will insert a needle around a single crochet stitch and from front. Okay, from front we will insert a needle, grab the yarn, pull through. This we are doing from front and around the single crochet stitch we made, and then again we make a single crochet stitch. Okay, I'm showing you lot of them so you won't have any confusion. See, this is how we insert a needle from back, from front around that single crochet stitch. We will grab the yarn, pull through, and make a single crochet stitch. That is front post single crochet stitch. So now onwards we will make one line of front post single crochet stitch and one line of, means like in one line we will make one front post single crochet stitch in each stitch for whole line, and next line we will make one single crochet stitch in each stitch for whole line. Then again we will repeat same. One line of front post, one line of single crochet, one line of front post single crochet, one line of single crochet. So if you want, you can just slow down your speed of the video so you will understand it more well. I'm trying to show it already. I'm trying to show it quite slow, and don't worry, I've shown a lot of stitches so you won't have any confusion for that. So I'll just complete this and I'll show you. Thank you. See, when we turn around, it looks, in front it has different look, in back it has different look. Now see, this is how front post single crochet stitch look like. This is the front side. Okay, and I'll show you back side also. Both side looks good on their own way. I'll show you back side also how it looks. This is the back side. Okay. So if you have liked the video, please like, comment, share and subscribe Sanjs Aasha YouTube channel. If you have already subscribed, thank you. Thanks a lot. Thanks a million. If you have not yet subscribed, I'll request you to please do subscribe my YouTube channel. I'm coming up with lots and lots of new videos. Plus already many videos are there on my YouTube channel.
Thanks for watching my video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.